My name is Dr. Michael Rush, and I'm from Lakewood, New Jersey, originally Laurinburg, North Carolina. And I'm looking at a photo of the 1963 march. And it kind of brings tears to my eyes because I remember where I was standing in the sea of all of the folk who attended that march. And it was a unique experience as to how I got there. Being from North Carolina, I grew up in a very segregated area, and my whole family had to pick cotton. So when I became 14, instead of picking cotton, I decided to come to New Jersey, where my oldest brother moved. And I began washing dishes each summer after school. So in the summer of 1963, I was still washing dishes. My band director called, because I was in a high school band, and asked me if I wanted to go to college. And I said, Mr. Hodge, I'd love to go to college, but I have no money. He said, well, I may be able to get you in Fayetteville State at HBCU with a scholarship. So if you come home and take the SAT, we'll see what can happen. So I went back to my job and I told my boss, I said, listen, I got to leave for a while, just go back to North Carolina, but please hold my job. I'll be back. That was in West Orange, New Jersey. So when luckily, as fate and God would have it, I boarded a bus from Newark, New Jersey on August 28, 1963, about 6 o'clock in the morning. Bus got to Washington, D.C., and the driver said to everybody, there's a traffic jam, we can't move, we'll be here for a while. I got off the bus and just started walking and saw all these folk with signs, and I just started walking with them. And I followed the crowd, and this is where we winded up. So, as fate would have it, I was here by chance. I am so glad that I made that move. God put me in the right place at the right time, because after that, I decided to go to college. I decided to finish. I joined SNCC, the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee, and now I'm a retired school superintendent, and I have a mentoring program of about 60 boys and 30 girls in Lakewood, New Jersey. That's who I am.
Oh my God.